Hello everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how I use Sian Richards Blushy Skin Tint. I've got two gorgeous shades here, Silkaccino, a warm caramel bronze, and Roseluxe, a soft rosy pink. These blushy skin tints are super creamy and pigmented, so they build beautifully into the skin. And I'll be applying them with Best Kept Secret brush number 5, which is a really fluffy buffing face brush. To start, I just lightly swirl the brush over the tip of Silkaccino stick and tap off any excess product. Remember, a tiny bit goes a long way. I begin at the top of my cheekbone near the ear and gently buff the color straight and then back up along the hollows of my cheeks, staying just under the cheekbone itself. This placement adds a soft shadow, almost like a natural contour, giving that subtle sun-kissed warmth. I blend in small circular motion, letting the brush do all the work so there are no harsh lines. Then I repeat the same sweep on the other side, keeping the color diffused and even. Any remaining Silkaccino on the brush gets lightly swept across the bridge of my nose and just on my temples. This technique ties everything together and creates that sun-kiss effect all over my face. And here's how it turned out. My skin looks bronzed and naturally contoured. The product blends so easily. It's creamy, it's pigmented, and super beginner friendly. Next, using the same brush, I'm going to pick up some Roseluxe in the same way. A gentle dab on the stick. And again, I'm only taking a small amount to start. Roseluxe is a lovely natural pink, perfect for fresh rosy cheeks. I apply it starting right on the apples of my cheeks. Then with light pressure, I sweep the brush outward and slightly upward towards the temples. This motion lifts the color and gives the face a nice subtle lift. The key is to blend well so it looks seamless and soft. Since the product is also buildable, I can go back for more if I want more color on my cheeks. And here's a side by side. This side has Roseluxe, and notice the gentle lift through the cheek and that natural healthy bloom of color. On the other side without it, the face reads a bit flatter. Roseluxe adds structure and that effortless softness and blush that we want. Now doing the same thing on the other side, grabbing a little product, starting on the apples of my cheeks, and then going outwards and upwards to give that lift. I use gentle soft motions and let the brush do all the work for me. Whatever's left on the brush, I lightly sweep it on the tip of my nose. This little pop on the nose creates a youthful sun-kissed look by mimicking how the skin naturally warms up in the sun. And that's the look. Silkaccino brings warmth, Roseluxe adds that soft color, and brush number 5 does all the blending for you. It's effortless for daily makeup. You can shop the blushy and the brush on Sian Richards London website. Thanks for watching!